Let's go ahead and get this tape off. Yay. Trash. And boy, that looks pretty bad, don't it? Why do these wires twist? I've had some that do and some that don't, and this is pretty much the full length of the cable. 25 feet. 25 feet of twists. But this is going to be a bit of a nightmare. I may have to think about this just a little bit. Let's see what we got. I have never seen this. Could be one of the reasons why this cable twisted. I doubt it, but for such a little bit. Yeah, it can be done. I gotta redo this. I gotta shorten this. And then I'll still be able to do my JB weld. So, let me heat up my soldering iron and get everything together. Okay, cut the wire and strip it. I got a little wrap here that should work. It's called the Western Union. That's where I make an X. Wrap under, if you can get through, like that. And under. Like that. That is a Western Union. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Usually don't do that until after I solder. But it's a pretty clean meld. Okay. That's acceptable. Turn my fan on. Heat up my joint. Oh, I tell you what, I got this cheap solder from China that I'm really just not happy with. The stuff is much better than that dollar roll of stuff you can get. So, let's go ahead and wrap that with some tape. And that's not too bad. I can live with that, with a good wrap. One of my go-to products I love. The quick weld is really, you know, I mean, if you know what you're doing roughly, you mix it, apply it, carefully play with it a little bit, and it sets very quickly and you can walk away from it. So, let me pause here for a second and get that ready. It's pretty good. I'm going to slop it on. Make sure you get it down in that crack. Poke, poke, poke. Poke, 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 poke. And you're going to have to keep moving this around. Make sure it doesn't glop off on you. This is so worth it. Because I've never had this stuff fail on me. Never. Once it makes a bond, it's there for life. Kind of like marriage. Once you've made the commitment, you're there. So, key to this right now is just keep playing with it. Make sure it kind of flows into all your areas and doesn't glob up in one point, which right now it is, but as time goes on here, that will settle down. Okay, so a little bit of that way, a little bit of that way. I don't know if blowing on it makes any difference or not. I don't think it does. I don't know. And just keep kind of forming it into some kind of a pattern of even and stuff. Yeah, looks pretty good. That really holds well. Alright, I'm going to call this done, and I'm going to go hang it up and start to work on my other one. But basically you've got the idea, and truthfully this stuff works absolutely perfect. JB Weld. Okay, I am going to hang it. I'll be back. Okay, now this is type number 2. Okay, I got the other one back here, which has probably been hanging up for about 20-30 minutes tops, and pretty secure. I tell you, it's a miracle. And it's good for another 20,000 miles. Easy.